Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, you need to tap on the same options. Firstly, I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now select Close in white pop-up at the top or just click on your screen. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung tablet and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Then select Close this window and go back to tablet. Now you can finally use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to manage. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Following that, hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!